Hey everyone! Welcome to the final part of this drag craft tutorial series on how to create a recycled plastic bag cat basket. This video will show you how to complete the sides for your kitty friend's basket. Are you ready, Pıtık? Okay, let's go. So by now you have a mat which needs sides to complete the basket. You're going to create two sides which are the length of the mat and two sides which are the width of the mat. After you complete the first row of your side panel, make sure you measure it against the mat. Generally, I make them 1 or 2 knots smaller than the mat to allow for the join. To make the rest of the sides, repeat the techniques you learnt in parts 1 and 2 of this series. Each side should be about 10 centimeters tall, and you can make a knot at the end when you're finished. Now you have all 5 parts of the basket and it's time to connect them all. First, take one long side and put it up against the base of the basket. Match up the holes that you will poke your thread through. With a pen or a pencil, create a hole in both the side and the base. Then push the thread through. Open the loop and pull the tail through to secure both pieces together with the new thread. Now find the next gap, poke another hole and pull the thread through again, looping the thread over and under the basket edge. Repeat this all along the entire edge of that side. When all the sides are connected to the base, then you can start connecting each side to one another. You'll notice that there are probably some loose threads on the basket, so you can start by using these to tie the sides together. Pull the threads through the loops and tie knots as you go. Once you've used up all the extra threads, then you can start by adding a new thread to the join and use the same technique to loop over and under and over and under to make a secure join. Repeat this technique to join all of the sides together. And that's it, folks. You've made your very own recycled plastic bag cat basket. I really hope to see pictures of yours when they're all done, and of course also your kitty friends. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you here next time for another drag craft tutorial. Bye!